This is the 2018 Toyota 4Runner Limited in Premium Blizzard Pearl. It comes equipped ready for adventure with XREAS sport suspension, 245/60/20 tires, and alloy wheels. The 4Runner is equipped with silver roof rails, rear privacy glass, LED taillights, a rear spoiler, chrome accent trim, and tow package. Opening the hatch reveals a spacious cargo area that offers loads of room for your gear, a security cover, tie-downs, and 2 power outlets. From the driver's side, the Limited looks upscale with a chrome bumper and accent trim, fog lights, and projector beam headlights. Inside the cabin, you'll find rich brown leather upholstery with wood grain trim, climate control AC, cruise control, push-button start, power windows and locks, heated and ventilated power seats, tilt steering with a leather-wrapped wheel, a power moonroof, and a JBL AM/FM CD XM radio audio system with Bluetooth, steering wheel controls, and a backup camera. There's comfortable seating for 3 in the back, a passenger center console, and fold-down rear seating for additional cargo carrying capacity. Power comes from a 4-liter V6 mated to a 5-speed automatic transmission and full-time 4-wheel drive. The 2018 4Runner Limited will get you where you want to go in comfort and style. Call today and book your test drive or stop by for a look. We're at 1200 Leith Head Road in Kelowna.